Throughout this course, we will harness adult learning theory principles to enhance your learning. We want to be transparent about what we're doing and share some of the reasoning behind how we structured this course. As adults, we learn differently. One of the major differences between how adults and others learn is that adults have experience and prior knowledge. Adults learn best when they are actively engaged in the process and when they experience not only concrete events in a cognitive fashion, but also transactional events in an emotional fashion. Simply put, the learner must make sense of the events experienced in terms of their own world. The combination of actively experiencing something, particularly if it's accompanied by intense emotions, results in long-lasting learning. In this course, we want to leverage this learning equation. To that end, this course is heavily reliant on the application of critical thinking and reflection. We expect your reflections to inform your practice as you apply these CRM principles to your management of crisis. Opportunities for reflection will be noted by the symbol of looking in a mirror. We hope that you will continue to reflect on what you've learned in this course after your next crisis experience. Spaced repetition is repeated exposure to content so that learners will have the opportunity to transfer information from short-term memory to long-term memory. The most common example of spaced repetition is the use of flashcards. In this course, we will repeat educational content from section to section to harness the value of this technique. Repeated content will be designated by the symbol of flashcards. As an example, you may have already noticed that we've discussed the definition of CRM more than once throughout this section. Retrieval practice is a broader category of adult learning theory. It refers to a variety of strategies for information recall that will increase transfer to long-term memory. Examples include formative quizzing or polling. When we try to retrieve a memory, it becomes easier to retrieve again and improves our ability to retain that memory over a longer period of time. We will quiz you on concepts more than a week after we've presented it to enhance your retrieval practice. Retrieval practice will be designated by the symbol of opening your mind.